Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I have for you a TEMU haul, and I have shopped on TEMU before, but if you haven't and if you're new to TEMU, it's basically a website that honestly you can spend hours browsing anything and everything. They have it all at really affordable prices. They've got free shipping, 90-day hassle-free returns. They are just a platform that actually I love and I do browse quite a lot. So I've got some new finds to share with you, which I will leave links in the description box. I'll also leave a code for those of you that are new to TEMU and want to try it out. They've got a app that you can download for free. It is the #1 free app, and you can also search my discount code, which again I will leave on screen. I'll leave linked in the description box with all the information that you need, and new users will get £100 of coupon bundles, plus we've also added on there a specific item of a highly discounted item. It's this lamp which you can get for 31p. The code is DQE4542. Again, the link will be left in the description box. So that is everything that I wanted to mention at the start of the video before I jump into sharing with you everything that I picked up. I've got some absolute gems and some really like out of the box thinking items I've never shown before. It's a bit of a review as well because it's a what I got versus what I order. I like to be honest with you guys and tell you whether or not I would order it now that I've got it in person, whether or not I would order it again. So anyway, I'm gonna kick things off with my favorite things that I was looking forward to receiving. Now, you know how I like to do my Lego, my puzzles, my jigsaws and things like that. I saw that they have these like little model houses that you can build. So it kind of is along those lines. So this is quite niche for those of you that are also into like being crafty, and just something that actually makes me switch off. So I ordered 3 kits. Now these are gonna take me a long time. These are a long-term purchase. So I will include images on screen of what it looks like, as well as obviously the pricing information that you can see how affordable these things are. So, oh gosh, which one do I show you first? I'll show you this one first. I think this is my favorite one. And this is the kit for the Twilight Book Mall. How cozy is that? And actually that would be really nice to maybe start building around end of summer time, so that as decor you could have it as like autumn decor, autumn winter decor, or like Christmassy decor. So this one's an actual bookshop, and then inside here you get let me just open it up to show you the booklet with all the information on how to build everything, how to pop it together, what's included, as well as the image obviously of what you are building and all of the individual pieces in there. So that is the first kit that I picked up. Another kit that I picked up was this. It's called Dreamtown, but it reminds me of a kind of like modern grand design style house, which obviously once built, even though you get all of the stuff within it to build all the little furniture and like even down to like the duvet cover, the pillows, you could also like go out and buy your own things or buy individual things off TEMU to like interchange, or you could like, for instance, seasonally you could switch up the decoration. It's kind of like a mini adult doll's house. So yeah, anyway, this is the second kit. And then the third and final one that I decided to go for was, let me open the box up because this one doesn't have an image on the front, as you can tell of the packaging. This one is called Kathy's Flower House. So it's more of like a greenhouse, this one. I think my favorite is the Twilight Bookshop. I've also got quite a bit of New Year, January organisational type things and stationery bits as well, including this, which is kind of fitting for this time of the year if you're wanting to get on top of finances and budgeting. This is a undated monthly budget planner. You also get in there some stickers if you want to use them for note taking. But I also picked up this one, which is like a sleeve, which has got holes for popping within a ring binder if you've got like a little diary or something. Plastic sleeves that you can fill, and in here you have just kind of like a bit of a guide of what this is. You can kind of create this to suit you and your needs and your budgeting. I've seen it before where you include £1 per week, in which you can then save up £100, or you could do £1 a day to save up £100. You could follow the rule of thumb of you put £1 in for week 1, week 2 you put in £2, week 3 £3, and so on. You could do that for a year up to 52. You could carry on to 100, however you want to do it, but it's just a kind of guided savings planner. Again, with the stationery, I also picked up these post-it notes, and I love these. I've never seen them before because they're actually clear post-it notes. I bought this for the kitchen. I have this, I have some recipe cards which will fit within here that I have already completed. So I kind of got this mainly for the box, if I'm being honest with you. A little wooden box, of which also has a ridge along the top that you can pop a recipe card within. So just for instance, it does come with dividers that you can obviously use yourself. Like I said, I already have recipe cards, but essentially the recipe cards included within here have this on the front, and then on the back, directions. Kitchen conversion chart that is quite handy to have. I really want to write out some more kind of like family recipes, so I've got them all stored within recipes box. But then this is just one of a few different designs I saw on TEMU of the recipes books. How pretty is that? It's kind of like a beige faux leathery feeling cover with the gold foiled metallic cover there with recipes and some spoons and spatulas and all sorts. And again, this one has different conversion charts. It's got index followed by your recipe pages. Also for the kitchen, I wanted some more glass Tupperware, and I do think I'll get some more of these. I'd like to have like a complete mixture of sizes and definitely have a bit of a clear out of our Tupperware cupboard, but I thought these two were perfect. Actually, look, I didn't even realize one of them comes with a little sponge. I also got a couple of home fragrance products, which again make for lovely gifts, but this is like a kind of like metal handled incense holder, so you could pop a little incense stick in there and then it will burn and fall off within the little wooden dish at the bottom. But then I also got these as alternatives. These are little kind of like wooden blocks that you can just have left out like on a coffee table, on a bookshelf, and you could even gift it with a little oil as well. But you can just drop some droplets of oil onto the kind of like wood in the middle and just refresh it as and when you feel like it needs a top up. I also got a new set of chopsticks. I thought these ones were really smart actually. Let me just hold them up and show you them. They come with a few different designs, which is good for if you're hosting, especially when you sort of individually give out each person's chopsticks whilst they're having Chinese or whatever. You'll know which ones are yours because they're all different. I love those. I think they're really smart. We love a Chinese takeaway and always use chopsticks. I kind of got these for Christmas and honestly totally forgot to use them. So I think I'll pop these away for next year. But they had these card sets which came with little wax seal stamps, and I love that kind of traditional look of I mean especially this colour, the burgundy envelope with the wax seal stamp, which would just go on the back there. How gorgeous is that? Especially, like I said, for delivering. In fact, you know what I might do? I might pop my letter that I wrote to myself to pop away for Christmas in one of these, because that's something that I quite like to do. I did also get the other colours that they do, more neutral colours, but still you could use them for Christmassy stuff all year round. The red one might even be nice for Valentine's. Again, 'tis the time of the year for storage and organisational bits, and I picked up these for within some of my drawers. I need to have a bit of a clear out and organise at some point soon, and I'm thinking like underwear drawers, these would be really handy for. Roll up socks and underwear, bras, whatever, tights. Bras would fit in there quite nicely actually because of the shape of it. I picked up a couple of hair accessories, which I feel like I always stock up on whenever I put in a TEMU order. And firstly, I got this 3-pack of larger satiny, scrunchy, like hair bubbles in these beautiful neutral shades. Then I also got a smaller set of 3. So again, in the neutral shades, but these ones are slightly smaller. I do like to use satin scrunchies in my hair for like just day to day when I throw my hair up off my face, just because I find that it helps with breakage, or helps avoid breakage. I also got these 2 headbands, which I thought could be nice and cozy for winter. There's this cream one here and a more like taupe light brown colour, and then also just some hair bubbles, like plastic clear ones for you know, as when I like plait my hair, I always have a big bobble at the end, whereas really these I think would be more beneficial. I need to watch some tutorials on this one, but another hair accessory that I picked up is this pin, which I got in silver, and I actually thought would be really nice kind of dressed up with a really simple outfit, say like a black LBD or something, and then your hair tied up with this. Let's have a go. This could fail miserably, and probably will. I need to watch some videos on maybe TikTok. I'm just like twisting it around and then maybe using this to pin it in place. Oh, I thought it worked. Nearly worked. We need to have a play around with that. I also got this for Tom's shower, this little black simple shower squeegee, great for just giving your glass a quick wipe down after each shower. Another item for the bathroom, and I picked up this 3 set of these amber bottles, which you can use to decant your shampoo, conditioner and body wash in to have it look all neat and organized. So I'm going to use up the ones that I've currently got and then replace them. In fact, I might actually pop these ones in the spare bathroom, one of the spare bathrooms. But anyway, yeah, they aren't glass though. That is the only downside I would say to these ones, is that they are plastic. But other than that, I think they look lovely. Another storage set for inside a wardrobe. This is just like one of those clear hangers that you can pop within here. Shoes, bags, scarves, whatever you want really. They're quite big though, so I think handbags would fit quite nicely. Just like 3 handbags in there. And again, they do those sort of things in lots of different sizes and styles and colours depending on what you need them for. I also got this set for in the wardrobe of these hanger sharer type thing. These are perfect for helping save extra space in wardrobes, especially if you have a smaller space that you're working with. Not a lot of money, you get a pack of 5 for these ones. I also got this for in the kitchen, this kind of little snack box. It also comes with the little handles. You could use this for beauty bits as well if you prefer. But I am thinking to pop this within the kitchen and possibly even within the fridge so that I can use it to like wash out and pop individual like snack portions of pre-cut carrots for hummus and cucumber, tomatoes, some little berries for in our morning yogurt breakfast dish that's all kind of like already washed and portioned. Oh, I just had to go and let Tom in from a run that he's just been on with Barney, and he is muddy. I also got a set of these storage bags, which are great for shoe storage, well, anything, but I was thinking shoe storage these would be good for. They're good to throw in your suitcase if you're going away for like wet cozies or dirty laundry, and they're just little drawstring clear, kind of clear bags, so you can kind of have an idea what's in them as well, which is really handy. And again, great for traveling. This little case is perfect for storing, I'm thinking especially sort of wet toothbrush within here, but you could put little makeup brushes in there, like dirty makeup brushes. It's got a little carrier as well. But yeah, just a perfect little carry case. And again, these came in lots of different colours. Hello?
Can you open the gate for me?
Oh, the gate. Sorry, I thought it was the back door you needed. Yeah, I'll come around now. Sorry about that. I just had to run down and help them, help Tom with Barney for a second. But anyway, we're back, and a couple more things to show you. Firstly, this is probably the thing that I was most disappointed with. And from afar, it looks actually really nice. So we'll see if we can make it work. But if not, I can just donate it. It's this kind of like, oh yeah, see from afar, it looks nice. It's this print which you can frame, and it's kind of like a still life painting of like these books and a candle, very kind of rustic, old looking, adds a bit of warmth. But up close, I'm not impressed with the quality of them. Oh gosh, even that on camera looks okay. But yeah, in person, I feel like the quality, it's quite pixelated, and I'm not sure if that would bug me, because like I say, from afar it looks really nice. Once framed, obviously, not with the folding corners like this, but they've got such, I've used them before though, so they come on this kind of like canvas material, and I've actually ordered like forest scenes, which I've cut to shape to specific photo frames that I've ended up using for Christmas decor. So they can be really nice, but like I say, just this one, I feel like it would have to be from afar to see that one. Oh, this is cute. Just a little thing that I want to add into our kitchen. We can use it for a few different reasons, but it's basically just a little wooden holder, which I'm going to use for toothpicks, which I think is just really handy to have in the kitchen for after eating. If you do feel like you've got anything in your teeth, just have a little toothpick holder, or you could use them for matches and cut out a little match strip that you can use to actually light the matches on the back, and have it sat on like a coffee table, sat next to a candle. A proper practical purchase, this one, and one that I'm quite excited about, and it is a little bin essentially that will fit in the cup holder of my car, and it's got this silicone, or in the door as well, it's got this silicone top which you can use to just push the rubbish within and then lift out your fingers and it kind of stays within there. Then obviously once it's full, you just take off the lid, empty it out, rather than having lots of little bits of tissue. There's one thing in particular that ends up in my car quite often, and it is paper from a lint roller. Having a golden retriever, I always have a lint roller in the car to hand, so that if I'm going anywhere, I can quickly lint roll whatever I'm wearing before I go in. And so yeah, I'm left with these little lint wrappers everywhere, so that will be perfect for that. And then last but not least, I've got this, which I'm yet to try out, so we'll see if it works. It comes with a little remote control, and it's essentially an LED starry projection light. It's got a few different modes of which you can use the remote control to set. And I just thought this would be quite nice to have, especially in the evening, if I'm having a bath, or if I'm in the bedroom or something, or doing like a meditation type thing. Sometimes even in here I'll do it, where it's portable so I can take it wherever I want. And I just thought, if I'm ever, like I say, having a relax moment, whether that be in a bath or meditating, to have that projection, even though I close my eyes when I'm meditating, just to like, sometimes I just soften my gaze rather than properly close my eyes, and it would just be really nice and peaceful, I think. Or if you're a reader, it'd be quite nice to maybe have this in a little reading nook whilst you're reading, just to have a very calm mood. So let's see, I think, okay, so you recharge it. Does it have any charge already though? That's the question. I might have to charge it up before testing this out. But that is everything that I picked up this time around from TEMU. Let me know what you thought of this haul and which was your favourite item. Again, just a reminder, if you are yet to try TEMU and yet to shop it, you can get an incredible £100 coupon bundle, with which I will leave my specific link that you can click on to get that, and my code as well, which you can search to get that offer. So yeah, thank you so much for TEMU for very kindly working with me on today's video, and of course for providing me with that amazing offer for those of you that want to shop TEMU for the first time. But that is it from me today. I'm going to love you and leave you, and hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I hope to see you all very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys.